All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Breaking Down Volatility 25S and 51S. Today is the 16th of September, Tuesday. Let's get into it. No, I didn't take any trades today either. Right now, I'm super tired, but I just decided to push through and do this video just the same. Um, so let's get right into it. So today we had a bullish day on volatility 25 1S. We just went up and up, pull back, up again, pull back and up again. Now, we had a few opportunities to enter because we broke out of the consolidation. This was some type of complex accumulation down here, but we just broke out here. This was a perfect entry. We didn't even pull back much because this is the 5 minutes time frame, and we just respected the first demand level before we took off to the upside. And any one of these you caught, you could have just held. So this one came all the way up to here, and see, this was a 4-hour OB, and we disrespected it and continued going up. So we went all the way up. I'd have to check the higher time frame to see where we rejected from and where exactly we are at. But these are the opportunities here. So we had one buy here early out, another one here around 3:30 in the morning, another one here around 7, and another one here around 5 p.m. This was a small sell, not much. And then this was another small sell, which I wouldn't consider taking because there's no real level there. I think it's a 50-minute fair value gap here that we managed to come back and test, but that's minor. Then now, quickly, let's go to volatility 51S. So we sold off and we came all the way down to this 50-minute demand zone all the way down here. Small 15-minute zone that we came back to respect. Let me save this. Hold on, let me go back to here, save this so I don't lose any of this analysis. Go to the 15-minute time zone. Yeah, so this is the OB that we respected on the 15 minutes time frame, and we came back into it perfectly in the afternoon. As a matter of fact, it's in the morning, 9:15 a.m. this morning, and we just went straight up from there, you know. So beautiful entry opportunity there. It was a bearish day at first, and then we accumulated before we took off. So the day started here 7 p.m. and we just had some selling going on here. I think this was a trade that stopped me out last night somewhere up here, and then now we didn't respect this PD area here, and then we found this discounted level that we respected up until this morning. We were selling until we got to around there. I don't want to use that one. That template is for when I took a loss. The trades that I actually take, I can use that color. But copy. Let's try to clone. I tried to switch the mic, guys, because I was having some complaints that the audio wasn't the best of quality, which I must apologize for it. hope I got this microphone, so hopefully it's a little better now. So yeah, this was the zone that we reacted from for the small cell. It didn't touch it perfectly. It was already removed from my indicator, so I don't know how exactly this one was drawn. Maybe if I use this candle here, yeah, it touched that one, so that would have potentially been a nice little trade there, right there. We sold off to. Um, After we had this change of character here, we had a beautiful retest of this order block here. Hold on. So this was the trade for the buy, and then now this was the full confirmation. So we had a breaker structure here. Once we had that breaker structure, we confirmed that we're going bullish. Now these trades, you just have to be patient in order to catch these. This confirmed the bullish bias. We traded fully down into this OB, but nevertheless, we respected it. And we came all the way up to here. Now, any one of these trades you catch with a decent lot size is a good risk to reward, and you can grow any account size with this one. Now we came all the way back down to this fair value gap here. I won't mark that one because it's a bit random. So I won't even mark that one. So there's no entry opportunity really here, except for this breaker right here, which we just traded up. So this, we just came back to here and just went straight up. But there's no pullback to any specific zone. Let me check the 15 minutes. And yes, of course, on the 15 minutes, if you check this, it's actually a 15-minute zone. So I'm going to go to the 15 minutes time frame because I use both of them. So on the 15-minute, this is what it looks like. So a bit wider, but nevertheless still a proper zone. And we respected that one. And you could have caught a buy opportunity right there. Proper buy opportunity right there, going all the way up to here. It would technically count in yesterday because this is 7 o'clock here. So yeah, but nevertheless, decent trade, just the same. But yeah, guys, some nice moves on these pair. Hopefully, this weekend I can catch some good moves. I shouldn't be on the road or anything. I should be able to sit here and stay focused and catch some of these moves. But yeah, this was a beautiful opportunity here today to catch some of these moves. This chart is starting to become crowded. I was just trying to find the level that I can remove this one. These lines, I was just trying to find the eraser. But let me switch to the higher time frame now on MT5. So this is volatility 51S. This is the daily time frame, and see we came all the way down close to the discounted level, and that's why we bounced. So we've been selling all week, reverse all of last week's buy. And these pairs, guys, you just have to follow the order flow. Wait until it reach the higher time frame zone where you can flip and you can get an entry. So here we went all the way back down to there and see where we at now. Buying all the way back up here. That's the 30-minute and the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, it's this zone clearly. This zone clearly. So yeah, guys, that is it for the 51S. Let me go to 25 1S now. 25 1S, we maintain this zone and we just continued buying up yesterday. On the daily time frame, we know at this supply level, it's possible for us to retrace all the way back down, or if we do breakthrough, then it would confirm that we're back in a uptrend on the daily time frame. But we actually get above this last high right here, so we could continue up. And this, it looks like it's building order flow to continue up. So let us see. So that is pretty much it. This is what it looks like on the MT5 and the 50-minute. This is 51S, 5 minutes, 15 minutes. So you can see the zone refined now down to the 15-minute zone right here. 25 1S respected this zone right here, came back down to this fair value gap, came back up to premium, touching this supply level, came back here to touch again on this supply, and we're going back down right now. So let us see how today plays out, but that is it for today. So until next time, catch you on the next one.